In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Monday.com. We'll walk through this together step by step, so you can turn your board data into a clear, visual snapshot that's easy to understand and share with your team. Start by opening the board where you want to create your chart. At the top left of your board, you'll see an option to add a new view. It usually appears as a plus icon. Click that plus icon to add a new view to your board. This is how we tell Monday.com that we want to look at our data in a different way, rather than just as a regular table. From the list of available views, choose Chart. This creates a chart view that's linked to your board, so any changes you make to the board will automatically be reflected in the chart. Once the chart view opens, you'll see some default settings, but we're going to customize them so they display a pie chart. Look toward the top right corner of the chart view and click on Settings. This is where you control what kind of chart you see and which columns from your board are used to build it. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see different chart types. Select the pie option. As soon as you choose it, the preview area will switch to a circular pie chart layout. Now we need to tell Monday.com how to slice this pie. Under Labels, choose the column that will define each segment of the pie. A common example is the status column, where each status, like done, working on it, or stuck, becomes a separate slice. Think of labels as the categories that divide up your pie. Next, set up how the values are calculated. Under Values, you can choose either Count or a specific numerical column. If you pick Count, Monday.com will count how many items fall into each label. This is perfect if you just want to see how many tasks are in each status. If you choose a numerical column like budget or hours, the size of each slice will be based on the total of that number for each label. Once you've selected your labels and values, give the chart a moment to refresh. You should now see a clean, informative pie chart that visually summarizes your board data, ready to use in your reports or team meetings.